Disconnect the power cable from the car battery. You can contact us via binizeofficial@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 8,613,312,163,297. We will arrange a customer service manager to assist you personally. Additionally, we have prepared a small surprise for you. Remove the clips from the original vehicle and install them onto the new device. This is the low-spec wiring harness. This is the high-spec wiring harness. This is a 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. This is the fan power cable. It needs to be connected to the corresponding connector on the 20-pin harness. These three are USB connection cables. Connect this USB port to the corresponding connector of the original vehicle. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. This is the 16-pin power cable of the low-spec wiring harness. This is the radio antenna. Plug the other end into the corresponding connector of the original vehicle. This 10-pin connector is for the reverse camera, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals. This is the reverse camera included with our product. Connect the red connector and black connector of the camera. This is the 5-meter video transmission and signal control cable. Connect the yellow connector of the camera to this yellow connector. Twist the two red wires together, then connect them to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Note: must be connected to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Do not connect it to the brake light by mistake. Connect this black wire to the negative terminal of the reverse light. Connect the yellow connector at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the 10-pin reverse camera connector. Connect the pink wire at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the back wire on the 16-pin harness. This is the microphone. Please note that this microphone must be connected. Otherwise, you will not be able to use the microphone function. Plug these connectors into the corresponding connectors of the original vehicle. This is the power cable. These two are steering wheel control wiring harnesses. Use the one that matches the connector of your original vehicle. This is the rear speaker wiring harness. This is the antenna. Now remove the low-spec wiring harness and replace it with the 16-pin power cable of the high-spec wiring harness. First, plug in the CAN bus box wiring harness. Connect the 16-pin harness. This is the power supply for the CAN bus box. If your vehicle is equipped with an amplifier function, connect AUX-L in and AUX-R in on the power wiring harness to FL out and R out on the 20-pin connector. Connect the amplifier control wire amp pin to amp det. If using the reverse camera included with our product, connect the pink wire of this 5-meter video cable to the back wire on the 16-pin harness. If using the original vehicle's reverse camera, select one of these two connectors according to the port of the original vehicle. Connect the corresponding yellow RCA connector camera to the reverse RCA on the 10-pin connector. These two are power cables. Use the corresponding connector to connect according to your vehicle model. This is the rear speaker wiring harness. This is the steering wheel control wiring harness. These two are the corresponding ports for the original vehicle's reverse camera. This is the wiring harness responsible for the amplifier function. This is the radio antenna. Plug the other end into the corresponding connector of the original vehicle.